And their brief was to use 7.5 metric ton of waste and turn that into energy. So client's brief was there, our brief again, optimum land use, enhance neighborhoods profile, campus for all, offer learning experience for school kids, contribute to renewable energy and solid waste management practices and research, offer platform for social participation, carbon neutral and energy positive campus, social infrastructure and sports facility. Now, just this is the city's sewage treatment plant. All of us architects would relate to that, right? Nobody wants to do anything nearby or live nearby. So it's not a favorable site. So what happens nearby is these unplanned, encroached settlements, whether we call it slum or whatever, but that's there. And here, again, it's coastal, so it's not as favorable condition, so that was the site given to us. Next to STP, the most undesirable site that you can ever have, because government's commitment was they'll give the land to a private owner, a developer. So for them, it's making sense to give land that nobody wants, right? Next to STP. So that's the starting journey, and the site was about 18 acres, and we started the journey there. And for us, we had never done something like this, never worked on a waste to energy plant before, a campus that you are turning city's waste into a green energy. So we had to also catch up and learn fast that what is all this about, right? And we started understanding nature of waste. So questioning started, right? That, okay, what is this waste all about? Characterization of the waste. Learn a lot of these technologies that is across the globe, and then transforming that technology for the city that we are designing for, and so forth, and seeking right design for the city. So a lot of this type of brainstorming happens. This is a different image, but just on the waste, it's so unhealthy place. I mean, the land miles that we create, right, across major cities. And so what happened, before we started even design or thinking about design, we started questioning, and we spent almost 3.5 months figuring out what is this waste that we are dealing with it, correct? And when we started looking at it, the question came up that, okay, ये सब कहाँ से आता है? ये पूरा mountain बन गया है इतने सालों से, कहाँ से आता है? So we figured out about 7 transfer stations that these trucks go back and forth moving waste. And said, you're talking net zero, and this is like nuts. These tankers are creating carbon emissions daily, about number of trucks moving back and forth. And we ran the number of all zones that average kitna wo back and forth जा रहे हैं, and kitna energy or emission generate कर रहे हैं. So this is what we do most of the time in India. Site select करने से पहले ये question आना चाहिए कि यहाँ पे क्यों कर रहे हैं हम, right? For any project, that's how generally happens, and then we question to the authority कि भी यहाँ पे क्यों दे रहे हो ये site? ऐसे ही इतना emission हो जाएगा additional. But I want to go into that. Site is given, it's done deal, we have to deal with it, so we have to live with it in a positive way, so we started on it. So diesel, so we, none of our business, हमको कोई इसकी फी नहीं मिल रही है वेस्ट को समझने की या तो एक CO2 और उनके टैंकरों की गिनने की, बट इट्स एनलाइटनिंग टू लर्न समथिंग दैट हेल्प्स ऑल अलोंग द वे. सो इतना डीजल कर रहे हैं, इतना CO2 एमिशन कर रहे हैं, ऑलमोस्ट यू कैन सी कि कितना वेस्ट हो रहा है अपने मनी का. अबाउट 27 crores पर ईयर ऑफ द बजट ऑफ द कॉरपोरेशन इज जस्ट डूइंग दिस carbon emission, moving trucks around. वेस्ट की बात करें तो ये सब हैं, बराबर हैं. तो उसको सैम्पलिंग किया, वर्किंग विद द क्लाइंट, अंडरस्टैंडिंग देयर कंपोजिशन, केमिकल कंपोजिशन एंड सो फोर्थ, सेग्रीगेशन करके कितने वेस्ट में क्या क्या आता है, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम कोकोनट ऑल द वे टू वुड एंड रबर एंड रैक्स एंड व्हाट नॉट, एंड सैंपल सेपरेट करके उसके सब टेस्ट करवाए, लेबोरेटरी एनालिसिस करवाए इन इंडिया एंड अक्रॉस. लॉट ऑफ लर्निंग. नेवर इमेजिन दैट वी वुड गेट इनटू ऑल दिस, राइट? एंड सो ऑल दैट was done in about four months. डिज़ाइन की तो बात ही नहीं है अभी तक तो, राइट? एंड देन वी सेड अभी थोड़ा समझ में आ रहा है कि ये क्या कर रहे हैं, वेस्ट समझ में आया क्या करने हैं वगैरह वगैरह. देन वी डिड दिस 3-day stakeholder consulting with all the parties involved, starting from political leadership to the corporation वगैरह वगैरह. And you can see a lot of this brainstorming and sketching and modeling of this process, equipments, all that is happening live with the client and authority. And then we figured out with client what is the most efficient way to organize this. So the idea was that we questioned that, ये तो ऐसे ही बनेगा. Then we said, why can't we put this equipment on top of this equipment so that we can use less land? And we say, oh no, नहीं ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता है. क्यों नहीं हो सकता है? Well, हमने ऐसे ही किया है. So you have to get negotiation of that, and then we stacked a lot of equipments on top of each other, and the only site we used is 40%. Rest is now available for the community nearby, the slums, which have, their kids have no real social space, no real playground. So we started mapping those and planning that. So when you drive this type of a thing, and Bhumi Pujan या तो foundation laying, most of such public project, you know, वो बड़ी speech आती हैं, 10, 12, 15 गाड़ियाँ आती हैं और वो सब show होता है. Versus here client was really supporting the private client, and together we said nothing doing of that sort. We will just have the tree planting drive on that day, on the ground breaking day. और काफ़ी लोग वो कर रहे हैं, and till date about 12,000 trees are really flourishing on that location. And this is the photograph of the site halfway. It's not complete site. So lotuses are blushing. The birds are really thriving there, and the green hedge and a lot of nature trees are growing. And when you drive such positivity, this is the site still under construction. Diwali में 2000 दिए लोगों ने चलाए. So they start taking the ownership and celebrating the site, right? The construction activity, I mean the engineers, the PMC team, the laborers, workers, everybody is so enjoying while the project is getting built, because the environment is so unique and positive. And some of the final images. I'm glad that the music also is really helping to some of these wonderful images. So nature does its job, right? We have to just go along with it. And we didn't use just those monster cooling towers or those things. We used this unique misting system which really cools down the entire campus by a few degrees and providing microclimate of its own to the plants and trees around. The bottom line here that total process side energy generated, energy use, and so total process side net positive and total building side net positive. So both sides we could achieve net positive in terms of the energy and total transformation for the nature neighborhood by so much of a green around it and having a sports facility and the research cell of its own generates green energy. On top of that, which was never in the brief, produces about 4,000 kg of a biogas. CNG produces about 150 tons of per day of a construction recyclable material. On top of that, this type of a plant uses lot of processed water. And we said we would be doing a crime if we use a real fresh water for such thing. So बगल में जो STP था उसका reject water को filter करके we started about 1.2 million liter of a day of that for the processing, which was diverted into sea. Crime, which we diverted here, treated it, used it, and so it's another positive thing to do, and is the cleanest plant in the country and gives a lot back to the community. So questioning, learning, seeking can do a lot and can take you a long way, right? Context number 7, and metric 7. खाने का टाइम हो गया 3 है और चलेगा? थैंक यू. मेरा टाइम ही 8:45 बजे शुरू हुआ था तो आई एम नॉट एट द फॉल्ट. So context is key. From that comes the understanding of everything. True? And you can really be inspired in a whole different way if you pay attention to the context. And the project story here is Kedarnath. I mean, most of you probably have heard it was flooded and so forth, right? How many of you have traveled to Kedarnath? So those who have traveled will relate more that to do a project and build there is totally different ball game, right? So client brief was जो बह गया है उसको rebuild करने का है. And when we looked at all this sensitive ecological region there, we said rebuild करना ही नहीं चाहिए. बह गया है वो वही बहुत सही है. वो जो नहीं था उसको हमने बना दिया, वो तो पहले गलती करी थी, बट अभी दोबारा गलती नहीं करनी चाहिए. वहाँ से हमने शुरू किया था. These are our objectives, or I would say our own commitment. Present a model for future developments in the religious and hill tourism across India. Conserve the sanctity and heritage of the site. Provide a universal blueprint for sustaining mountain towns. Sensitive revival of physical, economic, and ecological environment. And geomorphological alignment, and indigenous building technology integration. So these were the aspects that we thought we would explore working on this project. So just the map में देखेंगे तो from here you can drive all the way to Sonprayag. 2000 फीट से आप 6000 फीट तक जाते हो, and then you go to Gaurikund, another about few hundred feet of elevation change, and then you go to the Kedarnath. So 16-kilometer trek from 6,500 to almost 11,600 elevation change. मतलब ऑक्सीजन लेवल ऑलमोस्ट हाफ हो जाता है. And you can see how pilgrims would go there. Very uncertain weather can change drastically in minutes or so forth. And here you see the entire Kedarpuri surrounded by the water. That's the glacier which flooded the whole Kedarpuri, right? So you can see the context कि ऊपर से आया और ये पूरा साथ में ले गया केदारनाथ टाउन को. So this was the original glory. So जब सब बह गया, then we said, now let's just leave the temple and not do much. Let's build everything downside in a lower elevation. So only we could find in our, while we were researching, this was the oldest image we could find. I mean, this is dating back much longer, right? So how it was, and then 8th century में आदि शंकराचार्य ने re-establish किया. 13th to 19th century में it was under ice pretty much for 400 years. Then before the flood, this is what we did from here to there over the years. And this is what happened. Flood just cleaned it up, right? In the map, if you see before flood, after flood, and during construction, again some of the image before and after. So heavy damage, and pretty much most of the structure were either washed away or whichever was left was unsafe to be living with. And here is where we started. This is the image, same angle, phase 1 completion. So a lot of this work has happened across. So first we started working around the edges of the town, and then the main axis, we opened up the main axis, Arrival Plaza, and so we cleaned it up, the whole thing. And this is the final, when everything is done, that's how it will look. I won't go in the details of the master plan, but I think there is a clip that will explain, but you can see the terrain. It's sloping across, the temple is here, and heavily sloping, and the river. So only way you can go is you have to cross the water to get to the island.
Kedarnath, the Hindu pilgrimage site, is situated in the Himalayan mountain range in Uttarakhand at the confluence of the Mandakini and Saraswati rivers. Unplanned settlements of the temple town faced heavy devastation during the natural disaster that occurred in 2013. The overall vision of this master plan is to restore the spiritual glory of this temple town through a series of thoughtful interventions. By keeping the temple as the center of the vision and providing a mesmerizing experience to the pilgrims. The master plan is envisaged with minimal environmental impact, considering highest sustainability measures, and by involving key stakeholders' input through a participatory planning methodology. It is periodically reviewed by various state government officials and the committed private players, including JSW Group, under the personal guidance of the Honorable Prime Minister. The road from Gauri Kund is not motorable. The execution and the mobilization of a project of this scale in extreme weather and geographic conditions of Kedarnath is a great challenge. It was important to restore the shape of the island by reclamation of washed out land and construction of multi-tiered protection walls along the Saraswati and Mandakini river edges as a part of the disaster management strategy. The 10 feet narrow temple street prior to the disaster had many damaged buildings with 30,000 tons of debris spread around. The debris were leveled along 840 feet long stretch by developing a monumental stepped temple street. It is constructed using 20,000 locally available stones dressed by the regional craftsmen. The 104 feet diameter arrival plaza at the confluence of the two rivers is constructed by using 51,000 local stones laid in a radial formation. The temple plaza is constructed of 15,200 local stones laid in 4,340 square meters of area. The Tirth Purohit houses are being constructed phase-wise by following the local architectural style with the use of local stone and wood with slate-tiled pitch roofs. The redevelopment of Adi Shankaracharya Samadhi is also part of this proposal. The subterranean design of the Samadhi allows pilgrims to experience a unique journey by walking between the monumental walls to approach the Samadhi, revealing the statue, and ending this journey by walking through a park of contemplation featuring boulders strewn on the mountainside. There is a provision of a light and sound show based on the mythologies related to Shiva, which is to be performed during every opening and closing ceremony of the pilgrimage season. Record-breaking 7.25 lakh pilgrims have visited post-Phase 1 implementation, which is projected to increase every year as various developments take place in Kedarpuri region along with this master plan. Kedarpuri is designed with sustainability at the heart of it and is said to be the first Indian Green Building Council certified hill town development and will set a benchmark for future hill towns.
Some of the, during construction and the mock-ups that we did, some of the construction technologies that we researched, and how stepwise, phase-wise you negotiate with the local community to take buildings down and rebuild is a painful, long process, negotiating all this. And this is just the watercolor when all said and done. This is how it would feel. This is post phase 1, the first time the pilgrim season opened. Some more details. This is the Samadhi which is completed, which we really did underground because the temple has to be more prominent rather than any other structure. But the experience being underground and see all these mountains around and the sky is magnificent. So that's where the Samadhi is, behind the temple. So context. So if you see the previous projects and these project, and so each one has a different language, different style based on what really site offers, right? It's not that we have one style. I mean, many times you can say that each architect will have their own style, and looking at the building you will say, oh, ये तो उसने किया है, या तो ये तो उसने किया है. Versus we have no style, the style will emerge from our process. Innovation, number 8. And when we say innovation, it's not like aha moment कि वो E is equal to MC square हमको निकालना है. It's a smaller things also that हाँ पहले ऐसे कर रहे थे but अभी ऐसे कर सकते हैं differently. That's also a small innovation that you can integrate, right? Like in the WTE project, waste to energy project, we questioned a lot. And here the project case studies, aquatic gallery. Client's brief was build India's largest aquarium, which is inland. Most of the aquarium across the globe you will see is on the waterfront, on the seaside or so forth, right? Inland, because aquariums need a lot of water and different type of a water technology. So, but this is inland, and first time India is building such a large aquarium, so a lot was at stake. Objective from our side, meeting technological, programmatic and sustainability challenge with innovation and integration. Carving underwater experience into arid inland Ahmedabad region. State-of-the-art sustainable solutions and education that's immersive, attractive, entertaining, accessible to all and inclusive. So, Subhe, we were just chatting while walking across wonderful caves, and ये सब चीज़ों में हाँ वो क्या फीस लेते हैं. मैंने I asked कितना फीस लेते हैं, टिकट कितना लेते हैं. 40 रुपया. विद 40 रुपया में कुछ नहीं हो सकता है, राइट? मैनेजिंग सच फैसिलिटीज इज अ बॉम्ब. सेम वे जब एक्वेरियम की बात करें, हियर यू हैव टू मैनेज द लाइव्स. दे आर नॉट स्टैटिक एग्जिबिट्स, दे आर लाइव्स which will require a lot of technology to survive, and food and quarantine and medical facilities. So managing aquarium is a whole different ballgame. और उन्होंने बोला कि टिकट तो हम कम लेना चाहते हैं. अभी कोई भी गवर्नमेंट का प्रोजेक्ट आप देखेंगे तो बनाना टू द क्वालिटी वो भी एक चैलेंज होता है. अगर बन भी गया गलती से या तो कोई अच्छी लीडरशिप से, तो वो मेंटेन करना टू दैट लेवल इज अ होल डिफरेंट चैलेंज, राइट? और हम यहाँ पे एक्वेरियम की बात कर रहे हैं. सो दैट वाज द फियर दैट वी हैड, दैट वी ऑल्सो वेयर वरीड कि ये सब बना तो देंगे, डिज़ाइन भी कर लेंगे और एग्जीक्यूट भी शायद हो जाएगा, बट इसको कैसे ऑपरेट करेंगे, मैनेज करेंगे. सो वी पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम डे वन वी स्टार्टेड आस्किंग क्वेश्चन क्लाइंट को कि भाई आप हमको समझाइए, आपका थॉट क्या है, कि आप क्या करने वाले हो, कौन मेंटेन करने वाला है, उसको पहले टेबल पे लाओ. कौन बनाएगा उसको भी पहले टेबल पे लाओ. कि एक्वेरियम इंडिया में पहली बार बना रहे हैं तो किसने बनाया नहीं है तो वो भी गलत हो सकता है, किसने मेंटेन नहीं किया है तो वो भी गलत हो सकता है. सो ऑल दैट थिंग्स वी हैड टू रियली स्टार्ट क्वेश्चनिंग एंड वर्किंग closely with client in writing our spec, writing our qualification for selecting contractor and operator. अभी दूसरा क्या होता है, when you question generally nature ऐसा होता है कि your site is only this much, but when you question the questions don't have limit. So आप किसी बगल के साइट में भी चले जाते हो, अर्बन लेवल पे भी चले जाते हो, जिसमें आपका कोई स्कोप नहीं है बाय डिज़ाइन ब्रीफ। क्या मेरे को तो ये साइट दी है, तो यहाँ पे द साइट वॉज गिवन दिस। आपने किसी ने अहमदाबाद में अगर साइंस सिटी का किसी ने अनुभव किया हो तो दे हैव दिस रोड्स ऑलरेडी बिल्ट इन अ हेक्सागोन पैटर्न। तो हमको बोला कि आपको एक हेक्सागोन पे एक्वेरियम डिज़ाइन करना है। दैट्स व्हाट द साइट वॉज। So we started with that, created a detailed brief, कितनी गैलरीज होंगी, कितने स्पीसीज होंगे, कितने टाइप की फीस होंगी, कितना पानी चाहिएगा, वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह। बट वी वेर नॉट स्टिल हैप्पी कि भाई ये हेक्सागोन में हमको करना पड़ेगा। सो वी स्टार्टेड क्वेश्चनिंग, कैन वी गो बियॉन्ड हेक्सागोन, कैन वी डू समथिंग एल्स, कैन वी गो आउट ऑफ दिस साइलो। और नहीं ये तो आगे एक पॉलिटिकल लीडरशिप ने खर्चा कर दिया है, भाई उसको तोड़ोगे तो पॉलिटिकल हंगामा हो जाएगा, जो ये है वो है, तो आपको इसमें ही रहना है। सो ओके, सो नन ऑफ आवर बिजनेस। बट देन वी स्टार्टेड सेइंग ठीक है, हमको एक मास्टर प्लान तो सोचना पड़ेगा इसका कि हेक्सागोन को आगे कैसे हम ले जा सकते हैं। अगेन नॉट इन अ ब्रीफ, नॉट इन अ स्कोप, नन ऑफ आर बिजनेस, उसके लिए फी नहीं मिलने वाली है, हमको मालूम है। फिर भी वो क्वेश्चन अंदर घूम रहा है। सो वी स्टार्टेड मास्टर प्लानिंग। वी फॉरगॉट अबाउट आवर प्रोजेक्ट एंड हेक्सागोन कि हमको तो एक्वेरियम करना है, हमको मास्टर प्लान नहीं करना है। राइट, तो वी स्टार्टेड कि क्या कर सकते हैं विथ दिस हेक्सागोन टू इम्प्रूव ऑल दिस, एंड we started generating entire master plan and we did this. This is about 200 plus acre science city जिसमें ये हैं। So we generated the whole experiences. But एक चीज़ होता है कि आप अगर with a true spirit, if you do something, what I have found in my life, nature will join you and will realize that project. तो वो भी हमको मास्टर प्लान का भी प्रोजेक्ट हमको मिल गया, जो हमने सोचा नहीं था। राइट, तो धीरे धीरे वो ऐसे शुरू होता है ना। सो देन वी आफ्टर एटलीस्ट गेटिंग अ कंफर्ट कि भाई नहीं कुछ अच्छा बनेगा ओवरऑल व्हेन थिंग्स प्रोग्रेस, एंड देन वी केम बैक विथ द हेक्सागोन which was given to us. So we designed few things within that. So robotics gallery was there as another program, an aquarium. So these were phase 1 projects. We did proposal for both, and I'll cover the aquarium project today. तो एक्वेरियम में जाते जाते क्वेश्चन ये आया कि व्हाट विल इंस्पायर अस एज अ फॉर्म गिवर डिज़ाइन। तो लाइफ का शुरुआत पानी में हुआ, पानी से हुआ, वो एक स्टोरी निकली। सो वी सेड ओके, एंड देन पानी का शुरुआत कैसे हुआ, तो कि भाई ऐसे गैलेक्सीज घूम रही है, सर्कल कर रही है, और काफ़ी वो सब स्टोरीज निकल के आई। एंड देन सो वन एस्पेक्ट दैट moving of a galaxy or moving of a shell or such thing came to the surface, that if we drive up design thought on that, that would be more meaningful, because we are going to do a lot of this circulation which has to be a seamless moment as a visitor experience. So that's how it came. And then we started learning about chemistry of water in the aquarium, कि फ्रेश वाटर की स्पीसीज क्या हैं, सॉल्ट वाटर की हैं, ब्रैकिश वाटर की हैं, क्या हैं, और कितना पानी कौन से टाइप का हम लेके आएंगे, और कितनी लाइफ उसमें जाएगी, वगैरह वगैरह। राइट, and then how these sketches grew programmatically, around this hexagon था, so circle was, after you leave the margin तो एक circle जैसा ही निकलता है, so that also helped creating the entire flow diagrams. Again, I won't go in the plans. I think all this is there on our website and it's published heavily, so you can look at it. But what I want to create is show is that two things, that innovation can happen at every scale. अभी ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट में गवर्नमेंट का एक रवैया होता है कि अगर आप गवर्नमेंट के साथ काम करते हो तो कुछ भी नया करेंगे या तो कुछ भी करेंगे, बंदूक आपके खभे में फोड़ेंगे, वो रिस्क नहीं लेंगे, वो कंसल्टेंट के खभे पे रिस्क ले, राइट? कि भी कुछ भी हो तो आपका प्रॉब्लम है, इट्स योर प्रॉब्लम, इट्स योर लायबिलिटी एंड यू विल बी ऑन द हुक. और अभी इसमें जो भी लाइफ ऐसे एग्जिबिट हैं वो भी हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, उसका स्पेक भी हमको लिखना है, वो कहाँ से आएगा वो भी हमको लिखना है, कैसे लाएंगे वो भी हमको लिखना है, और आने के बाद क्वारंटीन कैसे करेंगे वो भी हमको लिखना है, और ट्रांसफ़र कैसे करेंगे इन द टैंक, और ट्रांसफ़र करने के बाद उसको क्या खाने का देना है, क्या एनवायरनमेंट देना है, वो भी हमको नक्की करना है. तो एक भी फीस अगर कहीं पे भी मर गई इन द होल प्रोसेस तो पेपर पे आ जाता है हमारा नाम, और सीधा फ़ोन आ जाएगा सीएम से कि भाई आपको इसलिए सिलेक्ट किया था. मीडिया में मेरे को जवाब देना पड़ता है. मैंने बोला आप ठीक चिंता मत करो, मैं जवाब दूंगा. तो ऐसे भी आपको झेलने पड़ते हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल लर्निंग. सो वी हैड टू गो थ्रू द एक्सपीरियंस हाउ यू स्टार्ट एट लेवल 1 and then you go through each tank experience throughout the project. But then in the tank, like this is a tank 1 which is exhibit 1 you can say. तो उसमें टोटल क्या नाम होगा, उसकी स्पेसिफिकेशन, वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर, वाटर का क्या है, उसके साइंटिफिक नेम जो फिशिस के हैं, कितनी साइज़ की होगी, कितनी क्वांटिटी की होगी, सब हमको देना है, राइट?